I'm 57, almost 58, and I'm happily married. Gravity's taken its toll. I would like to have things shifted up and just look refreshed and younger. Sometimes I wear my glasses to just disguise days that I feel like I look tired, even if I'm not. I am in advertising, and most people in advertising that I work with are in their 20s and 30s and 40s, and I always have to be careful to look good and hip so I'm not like the old lady in the room. I'm really busy at work and I can't afford to have a lot of downtime, so Ultherapy really appeals to me that I can get this done and it's easy and it's quick.
Hi, Lise. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good. Okay, so when you're looking at your skin, what are the areas that are bothering you the most?
I think around my forehead, eyebrows, kind of gravity, taking them down a little.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so maybe a bit of lifting and rejuvenation?
Sounds good. Perfect. Okay. Okay, here's my big question. Is it gonna hurt?
There is some discomfort, but there's a reason for it. When the ultrasound waves go through the skin and affect the lower part of the skin, it delivers heat. And that heat will, over time, stimulate collagen. I allow patients to take some oral pain medication to just take the edge off of the treatment to make it more comfortable. Nothing too heavy duty, just light. And the good news is right after the treatment's over, it's not uncomfortable. It's only while we're doing the treatment. There can be some heat and some discomfort.
Okay, and then how long will it last, the effect?
It typically takes about 2 to 3 months to see that collagen building take place. So there is a bit of a delayed response, but once the response kicks in, I would expect it to last about a year, potentially 2 years. But since the aging process is something that keeps going, we want to stay ahead of the curve. So I typically have patients come in maybe once or twice a year for evaluation and potentially maintenance treatments.
Sounds easy.
So Lise, really, you are the perfect candidate for this. Your skin has mild to moderate laxity, but it should lift and tone beautifully. Good. Okay, so we're going to get started with just one pulse on the count of 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Are you okay? Mm-hmm. Good. I'm just going to do a few in a row here, but your skin's responding well. I can see exactly where I need to target with the sound waves.
I went back to work the very next day, and 3 months later, I think my skin keeps looking better and better. Overall, I just feel like my face and my neck look great. I mean, I look in the mirror when I wash my face, it's good feeling, it physically feels soft, and when I put my makeup on, everything just looks really fresh. My eyes look much fresher, much tighter, the skin is softer, just plumper, and now after Ultherapy, I don't have to wear those glasses anymore. I had a high school reunion, it was my 40th, and I hadn't seen these people since we were all like teenagers, so this is a big deal. And I went, and I felt really, really, really confident. I felt good, I was having a great time. I saw a couple of boyfriends, and they were saying, this is not disappointing, and I knew that I looked good, and that was a huge, fun time for me.